Hello everyone, today we have fino. This soft bread in Egypt or Middle East, they have two names, fino or samoli. It's soft bread close to burger, is not like baguette. You can see it's spongy. You can press, bring it back. It's so spongy bread, so tasty. It's perfect for sandwich, especially in the morning. When kids go to school, they love this bread. This recipe I got from my father over than 30 years. 1985, I used to do this in our bakery. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I'm corporate pastry chef for many cruise line. All my experience around the world, I make it in this YouTube channel. 5 egg, the recipe, so easy. First, 250 milk and 10 gram salt. We just take pinch from salt to the mixture. And then we keep it 10 minutes to prove, to make the yeast works. 380 gram of flour, 380 gram flour, 40 gram butter, 10 gram salt, 4 gram salt, 10 gram sugar, 4 gram salt, and 250 milk mixed with 10 gram of yeast, dry yeast. You don't need to edit anything. This is a perfect recipe if you scale it with all-purpose flour. So we use all-purpose flour, 7 to 11% protein. Just for 4 minutes maximum. The dough is really soft. It's not elasticy. It's open, very smooth. And then, as you see, you can use it and never stick in your hand or in the table. The best way to roll it, as you see, then dust some flour and cover it with plastic film and keep it to prove 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you can see it's a double size. I press down. You can cut, as you see, like cake. If you want to be perfect, 80 gram each, use scale. 80 to 100 gram, this is the size they sell in the shop in Egypt. So 80 gram is medium size, very good for sandwich. This is really good to do. All they make exactly 9 pieces and one small. 9 pieces, 80 gram and one small. If you want to double the recipe, go ahead. Spray, oil spray in the tray. We roll it like Kaiser. And we leave again for 15 minutes to rest. That post-process to prove and to cut, to roll it and to leave it to rest, that helps the gluten and yeast to work in the dough and they give nice aroma. I will write all the recipe in description box below because I think I'm mistaken. The sugar was 20 gram. And the best way is to add 20 gram of molasses. That makes the dough really tasty. When we used to do it in Egypt, we use molasses. We never use sugar. You can use rolling pin. After that you roll it like Swiss roll, and then you close the edges. I will show you different way to make this, and all will have the same result. This is one of them, to spread with rolling pin, and this second one, just to press bottom of your hand, make it really flat. After that you roll it again. It's like when you roll cigarette. This is again different. I roll pin and just from the other side. You can stretch every time, and you don't need to close by your finger to make sure that will never open. But all of them with different type, it will have the same result. This is the last one. After that I prove. So you put in prover, and if you don't have prover, what you do, the oven you bake, make it little warm and close the oven. Put the tray 40 minutes or 45 or 1 hour. It's depend about how it's warm. And when it's proof, as you see, you brush with only milk or egg wash. So I make two type. I brush with only milk, and the other side I brush with egg wash. So you can decide which one you want it for your bread. I prefer myself milk. After that we bake. 190 for 15 minutes. Takes 14 minutes, 15 minutes, 13 minutes. It's depending about how is your oven. After 15 minutes, you can see all is crunchy, all is shiny, with bread, with milk brush or with egg wash. After that I cover with cloth to keep it soft. You can see it's spongy. You can leave it 2-3 days if you cover with cloth, and you have really tasty sandwich. Can be with sweet or salty, whatever you want. Thanks for being my channel. Please make share for the video, big subscribe if this first time, and most of all leave the comment to know if you are doing well. Ahmad Yunus.